Hello, welcome to the channel, welcome back. This is a follow-on video from the last video on the Bestway pool. On my left here I have the Bestway Steel Pro Max. I've got the box in front of me here, Steel Pro Max pool. It's a 10 foot 3.05 metre pool made by a company called Bestway. It came in the full package with the pump. Since we've had the pool, we've bought a cover which is on it just now, I'll show you, which is like a bubble wrap to keep the heat in, and then a black cover to try and warm it up and keep bugs and leaves and that out. I showed you in the last video how to fit the pump properly, and since then I've discovered the pump's a little bit small, a little bit underpowered. Now I'll read off the box here. Whenever you get these pumps, there's the box there, whenever you get these pumps you always get two figures. So the pump that comes with this, okay, so type of filter, medium synthetic cartridge filter, retain mass blah blah blah. It says here clean every day, replace the cartridge when flow rate falls below 240 gallons. I don't know how you're meant to measure the flow rate, to be honest with you. Nominal flow rate, you get two figures when you look at these pumps, so really it's pretty relative. Whatever pump you look at, you'll always see two figures. The pump's water flow rate, pump capacity, 1,249 litres an hour, 330 gallons an hour. So I do believe that's the pump capacity. Once you connect it to the pool and add your filter, it reduces down, which is the figure underneath. Integrated pool, as I say, it's relative. Integrated pool system of water flow rate. So that's pretty much the flow rate when it's connected to your pool. So integrated pool system water flow rate is 1,060 litres an hour, 280 gallons an hour. They're pretty slow pumps. They work, but you've got to leave them on for a long time to make any difference, in my opinion. For a small fee, I mean, in 2022 on Amazon, when I bought this pump I'm about to show you, it's £38. For the size of it, there's a big difference to that pump there, this pump. I've also just opened the box. I've not opened it just to check out a UK plug on it, which it has. It's also got pipes with it as well, and the connectors, which I wasn't going to use those. I was just going to replace the pump. But now I've seen the pipes a lot longer. I may use the pipes in the box as well, just so that when the water's flowing through the pipes, it may give an opportunity for the sun, when the sun comes out, it may give it, the longer the pipe, it may give an opportunity for the sun to warm the water up slightly as it goes through the pipe. So I'm going to change the pipes as well. I wasn't going to do that, but I'll change the pipes as well. So let's do it. Let me show you the pump that I bought, the Flow Clear, Bestway Flow Clear pump. Now, the pump fits to the pool at the moment is unplugged. Okay, let me just tell you that it is unplugged, and there it is there. Now let me read the stats out of this one. So Flow Clear filter pump, pump's water flow rate, pump capacity, it's 3,028 litres an hour, 800 gallons an hour. Integrated pool system water flow rate, as I say, I think that's when it's connected to the pool and the water's flowing through the filter. Integrated pool system water flow rate is 2,195 litres an hour. It's for use with a 1,100 to 17,400 litre pool. Now let's see what litres this pool is. Yeah, that pool is 4,000. The Bestway Steel Pro Max is 4,678 litres. This one is for pools from 1,100 to 17,400. The Steel Pro Max 10 foot pool, I'm looking at the box now, is 4,678 litres. So this is adequate for that pool, this pool behind me. So I'm going to clear this little mess out of the way. We'll need these stoppers. Hopefully you've kept these stoppers. We'll need both stoppers. So I'm going to put my arm in, block it up, and remove this pump. The old pump which connected, that came with the pool, the old pump is disconnected from the electrics. It must be disconnected from the electrics. So let's unbox this one, take this one off, unbox this one and have a look. So let's unbox this one first. Pipe, which seems to be a lot longer than the last pipe. Second pipe. Filter. The size of that's a lot bigger than the one that comes with it. As before, I've already loosened this off just to double check. I've got those parts there, I won't be using them again. I've already got them on the pool. Clips. I probably won't use them, I'll leave them in the box. Just make sure there's a filter in there. go, same size filter, brand new, put the lid on. As before, in my previous video, make sure that the rubber seal's in place, put the filter on top, put the lid on. Wow. Nice and tight. This is loose ready. Take the cable tie off. In actual fact, I will use those clips, so I want to get the pipes on ready. So I'm using these pipes, as I said before, because they're a little bit longer, so it gives the water a bit more time to flow through. They come supplied, so it's best to use them. Looks like I've got to take that right off actually. Right. Now put that on. God, get on there, I'm rushing. Right. As per the other video, get that. It's a bit cooler today. Get that on. Try not to. If it's warmer out, this is a bit more flexible. But what you want to do is try not to move the O-ring. That's it, I think. That's it, just check. The O-ring's in place. I'm going to take it off actually. Just check the O-ring is in place all the way around and it hasn't moved, which it hasn't, so that's fine. As I said in my last video, if that O-ring's moved, take it off, start again, because you'll get a leak. And then we'll clamp that there, just behind the O-ring if we can. Like so. Nice and tight. The same again on the other side. Remember, they're marked, as per the other pump, they're marked A and B. So all screws. It's a bit out of shape, that one. Get it on. You're trying, that's it. You're trying to get it on without moving that O-ring. That's it, that's on there, lovely. Another clamp on there. Like so. Tighten that up. Right, let's move everything out of the way. I've got my bungs ready. I'll move this table out of the way. This is tight. This is loose-ish. Right, let's get that done. Right, now we put our arm in and put our bungs in the two holes, port A and port B. Let's do that now. First things first, unnip this. Loosen that up. No water's coming out yet. And then I need to pull this off, which is tight. No, right, I've got the cover back. Next job is to put that back in. Same again for B, for port B, loosen it up. It's loose, but obviously a pipe to tighten there. This off. There you go, that's pulled off there. Let's put the other bung in. pressure. There you go, lovely. That's out the way. Move this pipe out the way. That's the new pump in place. New pipes connected. Don't forget, as before, A to A. I've already got the clamps on. Slide that on there. And then, do I want that twisted? No, not really. Try and untwist that. Yeah. Slide that on. And then slide this on. Like so that's the pump connected up, the pipe's connected up, and I'll tell you what I like about it. I'll just show you this, look. The pump is not running. So that was me to put it on the pack over there. And the other pipe's there. It just won't reach. You get longer pipes, longer electric cable. So don't forget, this one goes on A. So let's put that back now. So let's take the bung out. Just check this is tight here. I don't want any water flooding that yet. Take the bung out. Water flows in there. And I'll push that in. Yeah, that's in there. Now I've got to do that two-handed. Turn the camera off. Now while I'm doing that, actually, I'll take the bung out of this one. I'm going to put a fine hole. Put that in. So as per my previous video, I've just got to go put my hand in there, push that on, tighten this up, and then we'll purge the air out. And I'll do the same for this one here. Right, then they're both fitted in. Just take the air out. You can hear the air pumping out there now, and you can see the water running around. That's the air coming out. Bit like, as I said before, bleeding the radiator. That's going to fill the water up. You pump up with water, get all the air out of the system. Takes a little bit longer on this one because it's a bigger pump. That's that done. That's finished. That's up and running now. Ever so slightly noisier. Let me just show you the water pumping out. Water's been sucked through there. As you can see, it's coming out a lot more powerful now. A lot better. That's my new flow clear pump, fitted, up and running. A lot more powerful, a little bit noisier, a lot more powerful, a lot more efficient, a lot quicker to do the same job. It will do the same job in less time basically. Let's see how it works. I'll pop back in a couple of weeks and see how we get on with it. Thank you people, thank you. Please like, subscribe for more. Bye bye.